What if everything you were taught about success was wrong? What if working harder, waking up at 5 a.m., grinding 16 hours a day, is actually keeping you average? Because the people at the top, the ones building billion-dollar companies like Apple and Amazon, and today, I'm going to show you the truth no one tells you.
From childhood, you were programmed. Work hard, get good grades, get a stable job. But here's the problem. Sounds safe, right? Hard work alone doesn't create wealth. It creates workers. Look at school. You're rewarded for obedience, for memorizing, for following instructions. But in the real world, the biggest rewards go to problem solvers, risk takers, creators. That's why someone working 12 hours a day can still struggle, while someone who owns a system makes money in their sleep. Comfort is the trap. A paycheck feels safe. Scrolling feels easy. But comfort costs your future. Every hour you consume, you don't create. And the truth? No one is coming to save you. If you don't build your dream, you'll work for someone who did. Here's the formula. Learn one valuable skill. Use the internet to multiply it. Build assets, not expenses. That's it. Reinvest. Stay patient. One skill can change your life. 5 years from now, there will be two versions of you. One who waited, one who started. Both felt pain, discipline, or regret. Choose. Because time won't wait.